This is the most superest handy tripod that I have found on Amazon. There's the name of it, and it's pretty simple. You press this button, this pops out, bam, there's your base, right? You know how you have to unclip many of these things? Check this out. I just pull on it, bam, done. So now I can take this, set it right down here, and bam, there I am, look. All right, so this is where you put the phone. Let me push it down a little bit. Spin it around. And now this little twister here, you turn it, and then you can adjust how your phone's gonna be, right? So I could put it like that. And then I could grab my phone, and I'm gonna do some video. This, by the way, moves. I slide it in there, and bam, Bob's your uncle. I'm ready to rock and roll. Now, here's a really cool feature. This thing here, it will follow you. You can set this up so that it follows you in the room. You know, like if I wanted to shoot a video of myself, I would make it straight like this, right? Let's see if we can do it. And then I would come over here. I would hit this on button, right? I'm going to hold it. A little green light comes on there, right? And then it starts moving. Look. Watch this. Hey. Here it is. Look. Hey, what's up? What's going on? What is happening here? So it's just basically tracking my face. You follow me? And that's it right there, baby. That is it. Now to turn it off, I just press here, hold it. Bam, when that light goes out, right there, you're ready to go. Most of the time I just use it like this. And I'm shooting down on the thing. But what's really good about it is I just got to push on it to change the attitude of it. And to get your phone out, you just kind of push this forward, pops right out, right? And then to close it up, it's pretty simple. You just grab it like this, smush it together. We got to watch this because it catches. So you could probably do it like that, right? And then for this, you just pull it up. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And it snaps all together here. Like now you can use it like a selfie stick if you need to, right? Pretty cool, right? So that's it right there. That is your mechanism for tracking. This is where you put your phone, and it fits the big phones like the Pro Maxes. Over here you can put your SLR cameras. It's got that connector too. So yeah, and this is how you change that. You see that? So yeah, I would highly recommend getting this. It's super easy to use. It's compact. You can put it in your backpack, no problem. This is it smushed together, you see? And then this, if you want to make it even more smushed, you just bring it over like that. And now that's how small it will get. You know what I mean? So yeah, highly recommend getting one of these. It is very good. To open it up again, I just go cha-ching, then I push it, then I pull it. That's how quick I'm ready to go. Bam, flip it over, lock it out, get your height right. Done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuffies like this. Peace out.